Selecting the right windows for your Rockford home is an important decision that can impact everything from energy efficiency to curb appeal. Windows are not just functional, they play a significant role in defining the look, feel, and overall comfort of your home. Whether you're building a new house, renovating an old one, or simply replacing outdated windows, choosing the best windows for your Rockford property can be a challenge. There are several factors to consider, including style, material, energy efficiency, and weather resistance. Here's a guide to help you make an informed decision on choosing the best windows for your Rockford property. Consider your home's architectural style. The style of your home plays a major role in determining the type of windows that will best complement its architecture. Whether you live in a traditional, modern, or historic home, it's essential to select windows that not only fit the overall aesthetic but also enhance its appeal. Traditional homes. For classic, traditional homes, double-hung windows are an excellent choice. These windows have two sashes that move vertically, and they often feature grids or divided lights. This style provides a timeless look that complements the symmetry of colonial-style homes or farmhouses. Modern homes. If you own a modern or contemporary home, casement windows or picture windows are popular choices. Casement windows are hinged at the side and open outward, providing excellent ventilation and clean lines. Picture windows, which are large and fixed, allow expansive views and maximize natural light. Craftsman and bungalow homes. Casement windows or awning windows work well with craftsman-style homes due to their detailed craftsmanship and horizontal lines. These windows offer excellent ventilation while adding a charming touch to the home's exterior. Victorian homes. Bay windows or bow windows are ideal for Victorian homes. These windows extend outward, allowing for more interior space and offering a dramatic, old-world look. They also enhance your home's curb appeal by creating a focal point on the exterior. Choosing the right window style for your home will help maintain the balance and character of your property while enhancing its visual appeal. Evaluate energy efficiency. In Rockford, where winters can be harsh and summers can be warm, energy-efficient windows are crucial for maintaining comfort and reducing utility bills. When choosing windows, consider features like double or triple glazing, low-E glass coatings, and gas fills. These features can drastically improve your home's insulation, reducing heat loss during the cold months and keeping cool air inside during the warmer months. Double or triple pane windows. Windows with multiple layers of glass help insulate your home by trapping air between the panes, reducing heat transfer. The more layers of glass, the better the insulation. Low-E glass. Low emissivity, low-E glass helps reduce the amount of heat that enters or escapes your home. In the summer, low-E glass reflects sunlight, keeping your home cooler, while in the winter, it retains heat, keeping your home warmer. Gas-filled windows. Many energy-efficient windows are filled with argon or krypton gas, which acts as an additional insulating layer between the panes. These windows can prevent air leaks, reducing drafts and improving overall indoor comfort. Installing energy-efficient windows not only saves money on heating and cooling costs but also reduces your home's environmental impact by lowering energy consumption. Select the right window materials. The material you choose for your windows affects both their performance and appearance. Popular materials include vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and composite. Each has its own set of benefits and considerations. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are affordable, low maintenance, and highly energy efficient. They are resistant to moisture, warping, and fading, making them a durable and practical choice for Rockford's climate. Wood windows. Wooden windows offer a traditional, classic aesthetic that many homeowners love. However, they require more maintenance than vinyl or fiberglass windows, as they need to be painted and sealed to prevent rot and damage from moisture. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass windows are incredibly durable and offer excellent insulation. They are low maintenance and resistant to weathering and fading, making them a great option for homes in Rockford where extreme temperatures can be a concern. Composite windows. Made from a combination of materials, composite windows offer the best features of both wood and vinyl windows. They are strong, low maintenance, and highly resistant to weather damage. The right material for your windows depends on your budget, desired aesthetics, and maintenance preferences. Consider each material's longevity, energy efficiency, and appearance when making your decision. Think about functionality. Different window styles offer different levels of ventilation and ease of use. For instance, double-hung windows. These are classic, versatile windows that open both at the top and bottom, allowing for natural ventilation. They are a great choice for homes with high ceilings or when you need easy-to-operate windows. Casement windows. Hinged on one side, casement windows open outward, providing excellent ventilation. These windows are easy to operate and offer unobstructed views. Sliding windows. Sliding windows are great for homes where space is limited, as they do not require extra space to swing open. They are easy to operate and are a good choice for areas like kitchens or smaller rooms. Picture windows. If you don't need ventilation and want to maximize natural light and views, picture windows are ideal. They provide an unobstructed view of the outdoors and work well in living rooms or dining areas. When choosing windows, think about the functionality of the window in each room, considering how much ventilation and ease of operation you'll need. Consider window maintenance. Window maintenance is another important factor to consider. Vinyl and fiberglass windows are known for being low maintenance, requiring only occasional cleaning. On the other hand, wooden windows require regular painting and sealing to prevent damage from moisture. If you prefer a low-maintenance option, vinyl or fiberglass windows may be the best choice. If you're willing to put in more time and effort to maintain the window's beauty, wooden windows offer a timeless look with additional upkeep. Conclusion. Choosing the best windows for your Rockford property. Choosing the right windows for your Rockford property involves balancing style, energy efficiency, and functionality. By considering your home's architectural style, weather conditions, and personal preferences, you can select windows that will not only enhance the beauty of your home but also improve its comfort, security, and energy efficiency. Whether you opt for vinyl windows, casement windows, or double-hung windows, the right choice will ensure that your home remains comfortable, efficient, and visually appealing for years to come.